Let everybody come in, the man himself, Chef Ricardo Clough.
Today we had the awesome opportunity to bring a field exploration to our students, which was Truluck's restaurant, not only taking a tour, but actually being able to explore the type of fine dining experience that they have.
We were trying to get a presentation for the kids so they can get a little bit more involved of the industry and, in the kitchen pretty much.
Select the seasonings and the crabs all through his fingers while he's mixing.
So the first one was the crab cake. We usually use fresh crab meat. We did the whole process from scratch.
And it was just a fabulous opportunity not only to show our students that through COVID, we can still accomplish the goal and giving them opportunities.
It's a part of the curriculum that we teach. It's hands-on experience, and it's a different window. A lot of times you only get the experiences as far as your own home or the things that are directly closest to you and in your own backyard. Well, this is an opportunity to expand yourself, to stretch yourself a little further than maybe something that's around your own personal corner.
I thought it was actually pretty cool, I got to see a whole lot of things and learn a whole lot of things that I never knew and seen before. I thought it was pretty generous of them. It's a big restaurant in Houston, so I thought it was very nice of them to come out and, show us some recipes.
Like I said, it's creating more opportunities and being able to teach the kids something else that they can do, and of course helping the community as well.